All right, welcome to Performance Unlimited. What I have for you on the stand here today is a 351 Windsor with 350 horsepower. Go over a little bit about the motor. You've got your Windsor short block here with your Procom aluminum heads, comp cams, hydraulic roller camshaft, Manley push rod, stainless steel roller rockers, Edelbrock air gap intake manifold, Edelbrock carb, and an MSD distributor. This customer happened to choose his motor repainted red with the red wires and the Cobra valve covers. Very nice choice. Let me fire this thing up and let you listen to it. There you have it, our 351 Windsor, 350 horsepower engine package. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call, 800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance.